Hi everyone, it's Holly here. We're doing my classic exciting video today. We're talking about a brand new Summer Fridays launch. I always say this is more exciting than normal, but for Summer Fridays, I feel like I've been waiting for this launch for a long time. A spin-off of the jet lag mask. The jet lag mask was their first product they launched, and that's what got me into this brand, and since then I've been hooked, and since then I've been using the jet lag mask every single day and night since, which is crazy because I think the brand has been around for like, I don't know, 6 years, I think, something like that, which is insane to think about using a product that much 24/7. But I love the jet lag mask. If you guys are familiar with me and my channel, don't forget to follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. I post every single week, and don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. I have a discount code for Summer Fridays at their website, summerfridays.com. It's SF Holly is the code. I'll leave it on the screen here and down below in the description box below. You can use it on, I think it applies, it's 15% off of everything except for some value sets, I think, but it will be valid on this brand new launch, which is so exciting to be able to get a discount on a brand new launch because they usually don't have sales on at the same time. I got this package this week and immediately started trying it out because I wanted to try it out for a little bit before posting a review, just so I could give you guys the most feedback I could. I got their normal jet lag mask. This is the travel size, and then the brand new jet lag overnight eye serum, which is the product I'm going to be talking about reviewing and giving you a little mini tutorial on how I like to apply eye products. Even though it's called a mask, I always used it as a kind of sealing moisturizer at the end of my skincare routine. I feel like it does a great job at just that last step where everything glides and it keeps all of those products on your face doing what they're supposed to. I feel like it feels like sometimes you put skincare layers on and then through the day they just kind of get sloughed off and then you're left feeling kind of dry, like you didn't do anything. And that's why I love this product, because it really helps seal skincare in and it doesn't break me out at all. So that is just huge. So that's why I end up using it day and night, because it just seals in all the skincare and instantly makes me feel more hydrated. If you haven't tried regular jet lag mask, you have to. What are the main things? Oh, I didn't know it had retinol in it. Duh. That's very exciting, because if you don't know already, retinol is kind of one of the main skincare ingredients, maybe the only one that really helps with fine lines and anti-aging. Okay, let's talk about ingredients. So glycerin, retinol, and licorice root. The glycerin is kind of what hydrates the eye and sometimes gives a little bit of a glow and glide, I guess, to the product. And I didn't even realize it had retinol in it until now I read this, which is amazing because that is what will provide results long term for anti-aging and fine lines. It's a plant-derived vitamin A, so a plant-derived retinol. There's different types of retinol, but this is a plant-derived one, which makes sense because it's a clean brand. It kind of has to. Because it's natural retinol, it's more gentle on all different kinds of skin types. I have sensitive eyes, extremely sensitive eyes. I can't use just anything, so I have to use very, very sensitive products when it comes to eye cream. Puffiness is something I feel like we all deal with, just depending on what we're eating and drinking, and I love products that help with puffiness because no one really wants this area. I feel like you just look like and don't feel good when this area is puffy, so helps with that, which is amazing. And it obviously says the evening because it's an overnight treatment. A small amount contour of the eye. I'll show you guys how I like to apply that. I'm going to apply the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum and show you guys how I like to apply eye products in general and kind of my impressions as I apply it. Even though I have tried this out already, I'll just kind of walk you through what I see and feel applying the product. I kind of like to apply just in one go to make it easy and simple. So I use my ring finger because it is the most gentle and less dominant. It's not going to press too hard into the delicate eye area. So I just apply kind of 2 lines of it, one for each eye. So just like that, you can see that. Tap my fingers together, and then one will be for each side. And then I lightly kind of dab along 3 times along the under and just a couple up top. Not on top of the lid. This is the upper eye area that I like to do. And then once the product is in the skin, it's easier to glide. And I do a gentle upward motion, including this area where crow's feet may be, and up and out. So we're always going up, up. So that is generally how I like to apply eye products. And the same over here. I can feel it like sinking in now. So just a few minutes and then it sinks in. That is how I apply it. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup for the day. My eye makeup on top of this product, which it's not meant for daytime, but I have used it daytime with makeup on top and it's fine. I will show you guys what that ends up looking like. But it is meant to be a nighttime repair product. But I like to push the boundaries sometimes and just use things at times they're not supposed to be used just to see how they work, because I mean, we don't have to follow the rules 100%, right? It really gives you that glowing from within look. Good job, Summer Fridays. My experience with this product. So I have been using it in a few different ways to try to kind of just test it out in my own way. Definitely, I wanted to compare it to the jet lag mask because a lot of the time, sometimes when I travel or go places and I just want to simplify what products I bring, I would apply the jet lag to my eye. So I wanted to try and figure out the difference between the two. So I did wear them all day, one on one eye and the other on one eye, which, so by the end of the day, like after one use, I didn't notice really a difference in how the eye looked. I did find that the Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum, it kind of instantly, because it has that glycerin in it and that glide, it does kind of look like, I have it on today, I applied it. It does give your eye that kind of glowing, hydrated look right away because it has that slip to it, whereas the Jet Lag has a very more subdued, it doesn't make your face look all shiny when you apply it. It is more of a hydrating product. It doesn't really make your skin itself, just with this one application, make it look glowy immediately. So that is one difference. Just this has more slip in it, so it glides more and has more kind of sheen to it when applied right away. Even though this will sink into the skin after a few minutes, it will still kind of leave that little sheen on there, which you can see that I'm wearing it today, even though it's daytime. I just wanted to try it out in all different ways. Neither have scent. This is white and thicker. This is more like a true serum. The main kind of difference I talked about is that gliding, and then it sinks into the skin a few minutes later. It still has that glide to it. So that area is moisturized underneath. And I feel like it has that sealant on the outside, which especially while you sleep, that is great to have because you're kind of moving around, you're losing hydration as you sleep because you can't drink or reapply or anything. So that is what I think makes this eye serum, overnight eye serum, powerful, is it has that slip to it, that sealant almost. So it will just keep that eye area hydrated every single night. And what I always say about skincare, I think the reason why you will see results with this if you use it regularly. Any skincare, if you want results, using it regularly will do it. But the beauty of this is you use it 8 hours every single night. Because you're having that guaranteed treatment and hydration of the eye area, your eyes are going to look 10 million times better than just applying like basic lotion. Maybe not every night. It will be night and day. You'll notice the results. So if you stick to using this kind of product on your eye every night, you will see a big difference in hydration, tiredness, puffiness, firmness, fine lines and wrinkles, and just that dry kind of tired look under the eye that sometimes we get. I absolutely love this product, and if you apply it regularly, I think you will see some real results. Everyone wants bright, hydrated, glowing eye area. It just makes you look healthy and youthful. That is my review. Don't forget, I do have a discount code SFHolly for 15% on summerfridays.com. Don't forget to like this video down below. Follow me here at hall_ward. I post every single week on YouTube. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.